Have you ever thought about a day when robots will walk, talk, and work just like humans? Not just simple machines, but smart ones that can make their own decisions, understand people, and even work in your place? Well, that future is not far away. In fact, it's already here. And the name of this new robot is Figure 01, and its next version, Figure 02, is about to change everything. Let's go back a little. A few years ago, robots were just tools. They followed commands, worked in factories, and helped us with small tasks. But now, we have a robot that looks like a human, walks like a human, and even thinks like one. It's not from a science fiction movie. It's real, and it's working in real places like factories and warehouses. This robot is made by an American company called Figure, which started in 2022. The founder, Brett Adcock, had a big dream: to create a robot that could help humans by doing boring, hard, or dangerous jobs. And that's exactly what they did. Figure 01 is not just a piece of metal with arms and legs. It's smart. It learns by doing work. It can walk around, pick up things, avoid obstacles, and even understand people's faces and emotions. This robot is about 170 centimeters tall and weighs around 60 kilos, just like a slim adult. Its arms and legs move smoothly, and it doesn't trip or fall like robots used to. If it sees something in the way, it goes around it. If it needs to bend down or reach for something, it can do that too. It even has hands that can hold a cup, turn a doorknob, or type on a keyboard. Figure 01 has a super advanced brain made with artificial intelligence. It's like giving a robot a smart brain that can think. It also has amazing eyes, actually special cameras and sensors. These help it see everything around it in color and 3D. It knows how far something is, how big or small it is, and how to grab it carefully. The robot doesn't just grab things roughly like old machines. It can hold something gently, like a human hand would. At a BMW car factory, it helps with building cars. It doesn't get tired, doesn't take breaks, and doesn't make mistakes when it's tired. In warehouses, it can move boxes, scan barcodes, and sort packages, just like a worker at Amazon. But here's the twist: it never takes a day off. Figure 01 is also being tested in restaurants, hotels, and even hospitals. Figure 01 is already trying these jobs. In the future, it might even become a barista, a cleaner, or a waiter. It could help in hospitals by bringing tools to doctors or giving medicine to patients. And because it can learn by watching, you only have to show it a task once, and it remembers how to do it forever. One of the coolest things is that Figure 01 is not alone. It connects to the cloud, which means it shares its learning with other robots. So if one robot learns how to do something new, like cleaning up a mess or packing a box, all the other robots can learn it too. It's like having one robot learn for the entire robot family. This saves time and helps robots get smarter, faster than ever before. Now, let's talk about the battery. Figure 01 can work for up to 5 hours without needing a charge. And when it runs out of power, the battery is easy to switch. Soon, the company wants it to work for 8 to 10 hours with automatic charging stations. That means it could work all day, just like a human in shifts. Maybe even better, because it won't complain, ask for a break, or get tired. People might wonder how it moves so well. The answer is hidden in its body. The robot has 25 joints, each powered by its own motor. That means it can move its arms, legs, fingers, and even twist its wrists just like a person. It can pick up soft things like a piece of paper or hard things like a wrench. And its sensors can feel how hard it's holding something so it doesn't crush it by mistake. The hands of Figure 01 are really special. They're built to be gentle and smart. They have touch sensors that help the robot know how much force to use. So, if it's holding a cup of water, it knows not to squeeze too hard. And if it's using a tool, it can grip it tightly without letting it fall. That kind of control is super hard to build. But Figure did it. But the story doesn't end with Figure 01. The company is already working on something new. Figure 02. This next robot will be even smarter, faster, and stronger. It will work outside, in the rain, snow, and even underwater. Imagine robots that can go into burning buildings, nuclear accident zones, or war zones, places too dangerous for humans. These robots could save lives, deliver supplies, or rescue injured people without putting anyone at risk. Big companies like Microsoft, Amazon, NVIDIA, and even OpenAI have already given over $675 million to help Figure build these amazing machines. Why? Because they believe these robots are the future of work. Figure 01 is not just a cool robot, it's the start of something much bigger. The company says that by the year 2020, they want to make hundreds of these robots every year. They're hiring more engineers, building bigger factories, and teaming up with large businesses to bring robots into more parts of everyday life. That means you could start seeing robots in your local stores, warehouses, and even homes very soon. But while all this sounds exciting, it also brings up some big questions. What happens to people who have jobs in warehouses, restaurants, or delivery services? If robots start doing these jobs, where will the people go? What if 30 or 40 out of every 100 jobs disappear in the next 10 years because of robots like Figure 01 and Figure 02? And here's another question. What if a robot makes a mistake? Who's responsible? The company who made it? The person who trained it? These are tough questions. Governments, schools, and companies are already talking about these things because they know big changes are coming. Everyone wants to be ready before robots become part of our daily lives. Still, when we look back at history, we see that big inventions have always changed how we live. The wheel helped people move things faster. The engine replaced horses. Computers changed how we write, work, and talk to each other. Each time, some jobs disappeared, but new ones were also created. Maybe robots will be the same. They'll take over boring and dangerous tasks so humans can focus on safer and smarter work. The biggest difference now is that robots are starting to think. Not like humans, of course, but they're learning how to understand situations, make choices, and even improve themselves over time. Figure 01 can already learn from its own mistakes and share what it learns with other robots. That's something we've never seen before on such a big scale. Figure 02 will take all of this even further. It will be tougher, smarter, and able to work in more places. It might help with farming, construction, deep-sea missions, or search and rescue missions during disasters. Some people are even saying that future robots might become our daily assistants, cooking meals, helping with chores, or taking care of the elderly. That's no longer a dream. It's slowly becoming real. The world will never be the same again. We are living in a time when machines are not just tools, they're becoming partners. Some might even become our teammates at work. Figure 01 is not just a robot. It's a sign that the future has already started walking among us. Are we prepared to live in a world where robots don't just follow us, but walk beside us? Only time will tell. The rise of Figure 01 and the coming of Figure 02 is just the beginning of a new human story. One where the line between man and machine gets thinner every day. If this future amazed you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech videos every week.